Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Tutor named Fran. I'm Fran and this video is about... Don't forget at the end of the video to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So let's get started. So how do you find limits using properties? This is one of the simplest ways to solve for limits. So I'm going to start with this example. We're going to find the limit as x approaches 3 of x to the third minus 2x squared plus 1 all over x plus 7. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm assuming that this limit exists, right? And that's very important because the only time that you can use the properties is when you're assuming that the limit exists, and every way that you break it up, all those other limits also exists. So the first thing, I'm going to use the division property, and I'm going to try to use all the rules so you see them in action. So the limit as x goes to 3 of x to the third minus 2x squared plus 1, and then I'm going to divide by the limit as x goes to 3 of x plus 7. Now I'm going to use the addition and subtraction, so this is going to be the limit as x goes to 3 of x to the third minus the limit as x goes to 3 of 2x squared plus the limit as x goes to 3 of 1 all over the limit as x goes to 3 of x plus the limit as x goes to 3 of 7. I'm going to break it down one more time, again, just to show you all the rules. So the last one that I'm going to show you is the exponent rule. So this is going to be the limit as x goes to 3 of x, and we can actually take the power and put it on the outside like this, minus the limit as x goes to 3 of 2, I'm going to use the product rule here, times the limit as x goes to 3, this would be of x squared, but remember I have a power rule, so I could erase this parentheses and actually take out the power like this. Okay, so there's all these different options. Again, I just want to show you all the rules. So plus the limit as x goes to 3 of 1, and this is all over limit as x goes to 3 of x plus the limit as x goes to 3 of 7. And now these become really simple limits. So the limit as x goes to 3 of x, well, that's just 3. So it's going to be 3 and to the third power minus the limit as x goes to 3 of 2. Well, remember that's another property that the limit as x goes to a of any constant is just the constant itself. And here 2 is our constant. So this is just 2 times the limit as x goes to 3 of x to the second power. So that again is 3 to the second power plus the limit of a constant is just the constant itself. So this gives us positive 1 all over the limit as x goes to 3 of x. We've already done that one. We know that's 3 plus the limit as x goes to 3 of 7. Again, another constant, so just plus 7. And from here, we just want to simplify. So we're going to have 27 minus 18 plus 1 all over 3 plus 7. And this is going to give us 10 over 10, which just simplifies to 1. So I have shown you here how to break the limit down completely. You definitely don't have to do this every time. Once you get more comfortable with properties, you will probably just stop here and then just continue from there solving, and you'll get the same thing. You'll get that the limit is 1. And eventually you'll just be able to look at this guy and just say the limit is 1. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe.